So we had to go to the hardware store to buy the correct bolts because this thing didn't really come with it. That we might want to adjust that.
Yeah, I'm going to.
So we got this pulley on it. We were able to break off the center bolt. It was kind of tough.
20.
Yeah. Yeah, I just want to get that centered perfectly.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Whoa. Oh, did that just break the bolt?
Hi-ho.
Just like, what is my life?
Alright. Well,
Now try pulling it.
we're pretty much done today. We can't get this balancer off. It's like rust welded on, and one of the things that we used to pull it off, it stripped it inside, so we're going to have to figure that out, I guess, at another time, but we've got it pretty much broken down. We don't even have the parts yet, so it's not really that big a deal. We've got a lot of time, so I guess we'll just end it off there, and see you guys later.
Give it a big ol' yeet.
Give it a yeet. Yeah!
That's
Yeah! Hey everyone, we are back with the engine. We're going to try getting the balancer pulley off today. Also clean up the cylinder walls. We're probably going to clean up cylinder walls before we take the crank off because we won't be able to rotate it very easily. We should have a lot better results today now that we have the correct tools. We're also getting this creeper working. Isaiah's working on it right now.
We've had this creeper for like 2 years and we finally got wheels.
And we could have really used it, you know, like 2 hours ago.
Yeah,
we
so
desperately needed it.
So earlier today we were working on fixing his, what was it?
There was an exhaust leak on the headers.
An exhaust leak on one of the clamps. So we replaced that and we had to remove the dipstick, and getting the dipstick back in there was really hard and just going in and out from under there. So creeper would have been real easy, real good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And we were just like, oh yeah, we have a creeper. And then we got it fixed.
And then the creeper only had one wheel on it.
Yeah, so, alright, well we will, I'll come back once we have some more stuff going on here. So,
That's really...
So we're starting the cleaning process of these cylinder heads. We just put in some, I guess you put a fuck ton, but we're putting in some W30. It's pretty thick oil, and then we're just going to use some 1000 grit sandpaper and maybe some steel wool to clean out the cylinder heads. Or sorry, the cylinder walls, and then probably the same process for the actual cylinder heads.
It's going to be a while with this really fine sandpaper.
So we're still sanding out the cylinders, just the front two that were kind of uneven because the block was sitting forward a bit. And that's where some of the liquids that came out were sitting. So we're just sanding them with some 1000 grit, 800 grit sandpaper. I'm going to be cleaning up the cylinder head with the wire wheel there. See what we can do to clean them up. We might have to send them to a machine shop, but we'll just see what we can do. It might be adequate. So, all right. Well, we are pretty much done cleaning the cylinder to the best of our ability here. We're almost thinking we're going to need to send this block for a parts wash, and I mean, if it's going to be bare block and everything, they might build machine it. We're just going to, I guess, calculate the pricing and get quotes or whatever, but it's probably going to be for the best. There's a lot of, the coolant channels are like really bad, so there you go. You can kind of see how gross that is on camera. Yeah, it's just not the best in there, so...
Yeah, like I can stick my pinky in this coolant channel and it's just clogged.
Disgusting. Yeah, the cylinder heads as well were really bad. You can see in there, that's the exhaust port, and down there the valve is just covered in grossness. So we might end up part washing it. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to try pulling this off. We have the correct bolts and everything for it, so everything should thread in, and we're just going to work on that. Alright, keep going. Yes.
This is actually really easy too.
I don't know how we fucked it up so bad last time.
This is Jury Rig Garage for a reason.
It seriously is Jury Rig Garage. You don't even want to know what we did to Tristan's car earlier.
Oh.
They come off? Yep. Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Ow, fuck. That socket just launched. Something just launched and hit my leg.
I think it was your drill.
No, it wasn't. Something launched under there or something. I don't even know. Cool. So now we can get to everything. Alright, well, we finally got enough. That's awesome.
Put it on over here.
Yeah. So, flip it over. We got some plastic bits that we need to take off. And then we also have, well, all the timing stuff. Now the timing can come off, so we can get to the timing chain. And once we get that, I mean, we're pretty much good. I guess we can also show you everything that we got over here, parts-wise.
It's a little
cluttered. Let's clean up here. All right. Well, we are starting to get the timing cover off. Now that we have the balancer off, it's a lot easier than we thought it was. We were just working against ourselves. So the water pump bit and the timing cover are all one thing.
They've got to be.
I mean, it is whole casting.
Yeah. Oh, dude, look at that. I mean, that could be worse, to be honest, but.
Oh, gross! Yeah,
could be worse, but.
It's not great.
No, not great. So these are just nuts that have to come off. Oh no, this is the camshaft position sensor. You gotta be careful with that.
Yeah, definitely.
And I think these just...
Let's just get our impacts.
I need to get right in front of the camera. Sorry. Here, give me them bolts.
You're right.
God!
Just get a little mallet. Oh! The whole thing's loose, so.
Oh!
Yep.
Oh my. This is a little too big for the bag.
Wait. Oh, yeah, so.
Oh, yeah.
It was just a stud that it was caught on right here.
Yeah.
Going through.
Nice. Good job, everyone. This looks gross.
So this is what the single timing chain.
Little baby timing chain.
Little baby one. We got a double one, but we don't have it today, so can't show everyone.
Yeah. We have the cam, we have the lifters, we have the valve springs.
Oh yeah, we were gonna clean up and then show everyone.
Yeah,
and we'll do that. We'll do that after.
Yeah.
We'll do that last. So we just need to do the cam bolt, I think, and then maybe tensioner and could be it. I don't actually know.
We gotta save these. There you go. Oh. Keep going. Now it's coming off. Okay, we should just do this right and get a thing that actually fits it.
We'll need to get a 28.
28 mil.
28 or 29 because it's coming out at 28.35.
After tearing down as much as we have and taking a look at everything inside and the rods and the cylinder walls from inside, we've decided that we are going to be doing it right.
Yeah, and we're going to get it rebuilt completely. We're going to have a machine shop.
Resurface cylinder heads.
Resurface the cylinder heads completely. Clean up the heads, the whole block in a chemical bath.
Same with the rods and pistons, and we're going to get the cylinder walls honed professionally. We're also going to get new bearings for everything. And
the big reason is because there's only 2 cylinders with rust in them that we could see, but then when flipped over, we could see the whole bottom of the cylinders, not even the 2 that were bad, completely rusted on the bottom.
Can't reach it either ourselves.
And you can't reach it, and it's not worth it. So we're going to have to get it rehoned. We're going to have to completely take out everything. It's going to cost a lot of money. It's going to take more time.
It also means we won't have to rebuild it in the future. It's going to be done really well.
We're planning on rebuilding it next season completely right, but now we don't have that opportunity.
Yep, so we're going to be talking to the Vince. He does lots of parts work with engines, and he'll be able to direct us in the right way.
He knows a good machine shop that will be able to do this.
We're going to see how cheap we can get it done because budget for this is not huge.
Yeah.
So
I already spent most of the actual budget on parts that we have already.
Yep.
And we'll still show you guys that. But this was not the plan. This was supposed to be a good block. This wasn't supposed to be.
Our plan for the Camaro was to run it stock first at PIR and see what it does stock. So, I mean, that gives us until March, just still have it stock without even putting the motor in.
Oh, yeah, I know. I mean, nothing's going to get done even in March, probably. Yeah. I doubt.
Yeah, we'll see. So,
well, we got a new crankshaft kit, so, hey, that eats up a little bit of the cost.
Yeah.
But we're going to have the machine shop put it in with the new bearings and rings on the pistons, and they're going to have to rebalance it. So they're going to have to do all that work, which is going to cost labor, which is the most expensive part of anything like that.
Yep.
So,
yeah, labor sucks. We can't do this ourselves, so.
Yikes. This sucks.
Yep. next
Okay.
week or something, we're gonna remove everything from the block, so it's just a straight block,
Yep.
and
All
then
the sensors off, everything.
send it to them, parts wash, rehone. We'll get that back. That probably won't be so expensive.
No.
The cylinder heads, resurfacing them. I mean, I think they're probably clean enough as is. We just need to resurface them and maybe parts wash them.
Yeah, they just need to resurface it, and then I think
I already
don't know
showed
if
on
I don't know if
camera.
a parts wash would.
It would. It'd seriously clean it up.
Well, let's hope.
Yeah,
Let's hope.
we'll see.
And these rockers don't look bad at all, but I mean,
The valve trains look good.
it's dirty, but it's not
We
bad.
have new springs,
I kinda-
retainers, and
New rockers would have been good, but no one had them to sell, so oh well. Oh, and then I still have all that small stuff I got to buy, all the gaskets.
Yep, all the gaskets.
Head gasket, all that stuff. I'm up to almost $200 before the limb or head gasket, which is another.
Yeah.
But then that's not plus. If I want head studs, that's another $100. This build is racking up quick.
Yep.
Yikes. So.
Well, it'll happen. It'll happen.
It'll happen. Just as soon as more money flows in.
Yep.
Which, time and work. Fucking work sucks. Working for what you want sucks.
You know why the
But working for banana bread, dude?
banana bread?
Hell
dude?
yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right, now that we are cleaned up, let's see all the parts that we bought for this fucking dumpster fire.
So we got the dumpster fire little baby cam.
Look how
Pump
tiny that
Cams.
is.
Yeah, it is really tiny. Like, you can buy Subway sandwiches like this.
Yep.
And then,
It's a ZZP XP cam.
yep.
We got-
And then we got the ZZP 7.0 push rods. We got the Comp Cams OE-R style roller rockers. Those are expensive as hell.
Oh, we got a good deal for them.
This is for the V8 throttle body conversion. This is the wiring needed. This is 130 pound valve springs. We don't have everything. I think I just
and
need to.
You have the 3.2 inch pulley, but we were probably going to
supercharger,
take the 3 inch off of his Bonneville and put the 3.2 on his Bonneville.
just so it's safer. And then I brought my extra supercharger that we're actually going to use instead. It already has the it already
Snoot.
has. Yeah, it already has the push-on adapter for that style of pulley, so we don't have to do that. So now I have 2 extra superchargers, but this one's going to go on and
The
then
Camaro.
record it. But that's pretty much all we have yet. I have the 60-pound injectors and double timing chain still in the mail. We have the adapter plate for the V8 throttle body. V8 throttle body I have, but I didn't bring today because it looks really nice, all shined up, because my buddy who I bought it from, he sanded that thing to a polish, so I think I'm going to put that on mine, and then take the V8 throttle body, the North Star throttle body I already have, and then I'll do that myself for the Camaro build. But for now, I think I'm just going to steal that one.
Yeah, also the supercharger, we're probably not going to polish. We might clean up and paint it.
Yeah, we're going to paint it because it's just going to take way too much time, and then no one will see it, because most 3/4 of the engine will be underneath the cowl.
All you'll see is
the
like
snout.
right up to there. Yep.
You'll see. This is all you'll see of really the looking down at it.
Yep.
So it's not really worth it. But yeah, this cam looks nice. It's really cool.
So tiny.
It's nearly one of the most aggressive cams you can get without boarding your heads, because we did not want to do that.
Yep. Not yet.
Not yet.
Maybe
That's
ever.
Expensive.
Maybe ever.
Well, we'll see what the machine shop says.
That's true. We'll talk the machine shop.
And then we'll sell this cam and get the better cam.
Oh my lord! You did get that cam for a lot cheaper than you
I've
could have
got
bought a
all
new
of
one.
this for. I've saved just on this
500.
over $500
Yeah.
because secondhand. I
See-
bought this all secondhand.
The money that you saved on the Camaro, $300, plus the money that you saved on all these parts, that's like close to $1,000. That'll pay for the rebuild for this motor.
My bank account disagrees.
You just don't think about it like that. Just don't think about it
Just
a lot.
don't think about it.
Yeah.
All my tax money already went to parts too.
Yep.
So we've got almost $2,000 into the Camaro, plus 150 in the engine, plus like $600 in parts. Woo,
Your
boy.
Camaro wasn't $2,000.
Almost.
Almost.
$1,700.
Yep.
We got the spreadsheet, Davis.
That's true. Check out the spreadsheet. It has all our progress.
Except we didn't add the price of the Camaro. You know, we might want to do that.
Yeah.
I just wanted to.
I'll edit it.
Yeah, because the reason I took the pricing of the Camaro and engine out is because I just wanted to know what the parts would be.
Yeah.
But since I got the car for cheaper than asking price and the engine.
We're also looking at right now. He's running just like 16 by 7-inch steel like base model wheels and tires on his Camaro. The tires are almost bald. We were looking online and found some good deals and stuff, but I think that's gonna have to be
pushed back.
Pushed back.
So Isaiah, because he's a fucking amazing guy, he's willing to buy me those Z06 wheels. But then I have to buy tires. So.
Yeah, the tires are probably going to be about $400.
Well, I'm still going to help you with tires, too.
Would
I mean,
you?
It's a group project, I don't care.
Well, I said I was going to help out too, so this is a big group project. So
these guys are helping me out. I love it.
Yep.
Because I'm not going to be the only one driving at the track.
That's true.
So,
We're probably pretty much all going to be driving it.
yeah.
Until one of us bombs it.
Yeah, that's true.
And whoever breaks the transmission just buys the rebuild kit. It'll be fun.
Yeah,
So
easy.
only $300 rebuild kits.
Rebuild kit's like $300.
And if they break it hard enough, only $300 for a new transmission, used new transmission. Boom.
New to us.
New to us transmission, and then the rebuild kit. It's fine.
Yep.
Well, that's it for today. We really didn't make a crazy amount of progress, but we got the balancer.
off.
We got the timing cover off, which is really good. We're about to get the timing chain off, but we don't have the right socket for that. Whatever, it doesn't matter.
Run out of time today.
We'll do it another day. We're in no rush right now because
clearly no rush.
What happened?
Yep.
So we'll see you guys later.
Yep. See you guys.